Anagha Automation, introducing our diverse range of security cameras supplied to fit your unique needs. Choose from 4 advanced types to safeguard what matters most. 1. Wired cameras. For robust reliability, our wired cameras offer a stable and secure connection, ensuring uninterrupted surveillance. 2. Wi-Fi cameras. Experience the freedom of wireless monitoring with our Wi-Fi cameras. Effortlessly connect to your network for flexible placement and easy installation. 3. 4G SIM-based cameras. Take security to new heights with our 4G SIM-based cameras. Stay connected anywhere, anytime, with the power of high-speed mobile data. 4. Solar-powered 4G SIM-based cameras. A. Bullet camera. Enjoy a fixed-angle view that doesn't miss a detail. B. Pan-tilt camera. Seamlessly scan your surroundings with horizontal movement up to 266 degrees and vertical tilt of 90 degrees. C. Combined bullet and PT camera. Experience the best of both worlds, a powerful combination of fixed-angle precision and panoramic views. No matter your preference, our lineup ensures that your security is never compromised. Upgrade your surveillance system today for peace of mind like never before. Choose the camera that fits your world. And also you can refer and earn from this system. So order now. Save money and earn money.